Hello, it's Glenn from Coldwell Banker Tomlinson Associated Brokers. I'm here today to invite you out to our open houses this weekend. Hope you can join us, and we hope you stick around to the very end of the video because there was a big discovery in real estate this week. So be sure to watch all the way to the end. Hey, it's Glenn again, and I promised that I would tell you about the big discovery in real estate. So I just found this out myself, and here it is. So the word home owner cannot be spelled without meow. Wow. All right, so we have to completely rethink everything. Like here at Coldwell Banker Tomlinson, we are helping you realize your dream of home ownership. When you're buying a home, you want to be sure you have a good home ownership insurance policy. When you're buying a home, you want to be sure that, or discover if the neighborhood you're moving into has a homeowners association. Do you want to be a part of the homeowners association? Are you going to be going to the homeowners meetings? How much are the homeowner dues each month? All of these things are a big thing that you want to think about when purchasing a home. So again, we hope that you join us at CBTABS in our mission to help reshape the way a word has been mispronounced for years, decades, maybe even centuries, I don't know. But hey, home ownership. Coldwell Banker, helping you realize your dream. Eyes are sinking in the back of your head. Feet are strong to the earth. I am shifty. I'm an excited guy. Would you like to know my plan for this video? Or no? Okay.
Be surprised.
You like my hands free too? All right.
Yeah, you need to do something with your hands.
Okay.
With your thumbs.
Okay. Now, be sure to stay tuned and watch the end of this video. I want to do that over. I don't want to say stay tuned.
Sparkles.
Come on, Snapchat.
They have the puppy.
All right, I guess that's gonna be a...
Wait, let's check Facebook. What are you gonna do?
I don't know, what do you want me to say? Just a short clip?
Yeah, super short. Yeah.
Hey there, meow. Okay.